Hi, my name is Matthew and this is my second milestone video. Alright, so now my robot is a fully functional obstacle avoiding robot. It is able to reach an obstacle, sense the distance in between the robot itself and the obstacle, go backwards, and then turn the other direction. The first step to this process was getting the sensor fully functional. The point of an ultrasonic sensor is to be able to measure and read distances in front of it. So first I had to connect my sensor to the breadboard. A breadboard is a way to connect wires without the need to solder them. Once I was able to correctly wire the sensor to the Arduino, I needed to input the code for the sensor. It took me a while to find the correct code library to input, but once I was able to, it was relatively easy from there. Found it, input the code, and then I had to open this thing on the Arduino program called the serial monitor, which is a way that I could read values. So I had my sensor working, and then so I put my hand in front of the sensor so that the sensor could judge what the distance 0 was, and I slowly took it away, and the serial monitor started printing out values in centimeters about how far away my hand was from it. After the sensor was able to measure the distances, all I needed to do was input the code so that the robot could now move around on its own. I input the code, which is very easy to find, much easier than the way to read sensors, and my robot was fully functional at that point. Honestly, the only problem I had during this time was not only finding the code from the Arduino library for the sensor, but another issue I had was being able to actually plug the wires into the breadboard, because the holes of the breadboard are very tiny. So it took a long time. So I even had to change to these smaller ones because the large breadboard that we were using was not helping me at all. So yeah, it wasn't. Other than that, it wasn't a difficult process. So yeah, that was my second milestone video.